Welcome to GetawayGeese. We are Stu and Jane, and with Harry, our Ford custom auto camper, we share our adventures.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is our first Q&A that we've done. We've asked for questions. We've had quite a few responses, which is fantastic, and thank you if you've posed a question. If you've got any questions, more questions you want to ask, just put them in the comments and we'll add them to another video. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to do a few questions for a short period of time, because I'm sure you don't want to sit there and listen to us rabble on for too long. I've categorised them, so we've got trip related ones, we've got YouTube ones, we've got personal ones, and we've got van ones. We've got more trip ones than anything else. So,
this is very Stu. This is
so let's take a trip one. So I'll let Jane choose one out there. Yeah. I'll choose one. Okay.
I have no idea what thing.
Okay, so I don't know what's, well, I know what's in there, but I haven't prepared anything. So this comes from Campervan. So hi Sue.
Hi Sue.
Do you have an overall favourite Wildcat park up spot so far, and if so, why was it? So anywhere, not just Ireland, any trip that we've been on.
Oh, without a doubt, Hook Lighthouse.
Oh wow, that was quick.
Yeah, without a doubt, it's one of my favourite places I've ever been.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think why she was answering that, because she was so quick. I think there was that one in Ireland where we got there, it was sunny and there was just us parked there and the waves were coming in, and I went fishing there and the waves were really rough, and I can't remember, it was by the old disused copper mine. The lady came down with the horses and
yeah, that was my second.
It was just a moment in time, because the following day the sea wasn't so rough, and it was different, but it would just hit it that right moment. Yeah. So I think some of these things you go to, and maybe they're different the next time you go.
Yeah,
so
maybe.
Yeah, it's that place, isn't it?
Definitely.
But I'm sure there's bound to be something on the Scotland NC 500 trip.
Oh yeah, there is.
There's bound to be. But those are things that come to mind.
That little seaside village that we went to.
Lost.
No, we walked down. The surfers were there.
Oh yes,
really nice.
Stays on that trip. That was a really nice place as well. So
yeah, we've had lots, but I mean that's just Hook Lighthouse smashes it out the water for me.
Had so many. I don't know. You remember, to be perfectly honest, and that's I forgot about that one. Good one. Okay, so let's take a personal one. Do you want to pick one out of there? You haven't seen us at all. I mean, I've seen them only because I collated them, but not prepared anything. So this one, Campervan again, Sue.
This wasn't
They're all Campervan.
Yeah.
Do you think you would continue your travels in Harry solo if, God forbid, one of you ended alone? Ooh, blimey.
Yeah, I mean, Sue does.
Yeah.
She does amazing. She travels because she lost her husband, Brian.
We know, there's a couple of people that's the comments we know. It's a tough one, that is. So because you never want to face your own mortality, but which is what you're asking us to do.
I would, but it would be a very different trip. Our trips only work because Stu's organised.
You'd travel without me.
Well, you'd travel without me. Yeah, no, I would. I would carry on.
I would want, so first of all, I would want
We'd
Jane
want
to
the
carry
other
on.
one to carry on.
We definitely want to carry on, because I think we've both, all our memories have been, or some of our greatest memories have been in the van, the place we've been to. I would want you to carry on, and I'd like to think I could and would carry on. It would be very different, but I think that's what we would do. So yes, Sue, I think we'd do what you're doing somehow.
Hopefully
we would do that.
We would have. Yeah. We would do it. Yeah, it's a difficult one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a difficult one, but I'm sure there's a lot out there who get some. I know there's some people who get it. Because Stephen off Country Van Life.
That's it. Sorry.
So Stephen, I know he. So there's several people we know. So I think the answer is yes to that.
Yep.
Okay, shall we do a YouTube one? Come on. Can I pick one? Okay, so there's two on this one, only because we've lumped them together. So we've got Vans for the Memories and Lorraine Rodriguez. So Vans for the Memories says, do your friends and family know you do YouTube? And what did they say? And is there anyone who you'd rather didn't stumble on your channel? That's out the family, I think they're referring to. So do your friends and family and who you don't wish them to see the channel. So
not in the family. There are people I would rather not
see you on the screen.
To be honest, there's quite a few.
Yeah. Our family are quite supportive and have been quite supportive.
Yeah, we've got a 9-year-old grandson and he loves it.
He loves it. Yeah, he's always
a lot of your silly videos are done for him, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. The kids do follow us.
Yeah, I think they probably think we're a bit balmy.
But they probably think you
but
are.
Anyway, probably to be perfectly
But they
honest
knew
with
that before you went travelling.
Yeah,
that wasn't just travelling.
I think they look at us as a bit of a new age grandparents, I think, or parents and that. So a bit alternative, yeah. So yes, they do. I can't think of anybody. I don't care, to be perfectly honest. So I'm less bothered about who watches. So I don't have anybody who I wish didn't see me on the channel. As far as I'm concerned, I'm more than happy to share my life. I think you're a bit more.
Yeah, you're more
embracing of it.
Embracing than I am.
and Lorraine asks, which is sort of part of it. My question is, what does your family think of your YouTube life and being open about yourself for a world audience? So this is, you're exposing yourself.
A bit over the top there, Lorraine, with world, but you know what? We're a work in progress.
We've always said we wanted to be open and honest on the channel about, ups and downs.
We just film what goes on, basically. I mean, a lot we have to cut out because.
Yeah, we probably swear too much.
We swear way too much. We really had to.
Yeah, the geese would be on all the time otherwise. So we've
you wouldn't hear us talk.
Yeah, there is something about, how much do you share, how much don't you share.
You don't care, do you?
I don't care as much, to be honest, because I just, and we have shared stuff about our health and all of that and how we feel at a particular moment in time. So I think we're fairly open. There are obviously some things we won't tell you about because we make a judgment call, but I think we try to be genuine. I think that's the key thing.
Well, what you see is what you get.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Sorry.
That's it.
So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed that format. Keep an eye out for the other question and answer videos. And like I said, if you have got a question, just drop it in the comments. Thanks.
You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.